Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be a foundations review. I bought some foundations the last couple of weeks and so I tried them out. And so this is an honest review. This is not sponsored or anything like that. Quick note, I did mention a couple of weeks ago that Influencer and BareMinerals sent me a foundation, the Made to Fit foundation, and I told you all how it works and how you have to get it done through the calibration on your cell phone. So BareMinerals actually reached out to me and they were like, give us another try, and I did. I had to rescan my face 3 times, no joke, because they were saying that the scan was picking up a lighter skin tone. And I was like, well, that's insane. So I literally went inside my closet to scan my face because it was coming out a lighter shade. And still to no avail. Anyways, they said they added in some extra darkening tones because that was the problem with this first foundation right here. So this one was customized February 27th and this one was the one from January 29th. So this is the newer one. It came in on Friday. We're on Monday today. I don't know when the video will be up, but I tried it out as soon as I got it. I had zero makeup on. I just put in the primer and I applied it and it looked horrid. So the problem with this one was lighter and it had pink undertones. This one, when I was applying it, it like looked perfectly on my skin. A matter of maybe a minute or two after it set in, it was like a grayish cover all over my face. Like the color disappeared and it was all gray. It looked ashy. It looked horrid. So my husband walks in and he's like, hey. And I'm like, does it look like my skin tone or am I seeing things? But I think it looks like ash. And he's like, yeah. So I'm so sorry, BareMinerals. Thank you so much for being so sweet and sending me another food product to try out, but a no-go. I like the technology that you can scan your face, but apparently that is not doing anything. So that is my review for a BareMinerals Fresh Face Liquid Foundation from the Made to Fit app. Alright, so let's move on to the other foundations that I purchased throughout this month. So there was a lot of talk about the Marc Shameless foundation, and I jumped on that bandwagon. I was like, I want a medium coverage foundation because I'm always using full coverage. I did. I bought it. It costs $46 for this right here. And let me just show you real quick. It comes out like that. This is plastic. It contains 1.08 fluid ounces. It's medium coverage. It's a youthful look 24-hour foundation. It says apply 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply at least every 2 hours. So I'm thinking it's gonna look like skin, right? It's just gonna go in. Sephora, the ladies there, actually, they did a scan on my face. The scan came out lighter than my skin tone. 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. So apparently it's just my skin that's acting up. So finally they got to this one. This is the Y390 in medium. I bought it. I was so excited. Before I left Sephora, the lady there that was helping me, she was like, oh, let me just do your face because it's like beautiful and this and that. And so I sat down, she did the quick makeover and it looked beautiful. Like she applied it and it was gorgeous. I was so in love with it. It was like, I'm so happy with this purchase. And 2 hours later, my goodness gracious, it started to really crease up on my laugh lines and up here. Not only that, but around the nose area, it started cracking and kind of like looking patchy. My nose area, the color was patched and it was gone. Like right here, the color right here was gone. It was horrid. And then up here where I kind of have a little bit of pores, you could see the holes, and they were white, like white, where the foundation just set in, and it was patchy all over. I'm usually combination skin, but for the most part, because I've been using cream at night and in the morning, my face has gotten very hydrated. I no longer have dry patches on my face. Went back to Sephora, told them no. So the girls there were like, we're gonna give you some sample for like at least 2 days. Give us a try again. You know, it's a new foundation. Try it with a different thing. You know, how did the lady apply it? And I said she applied it with the brush. Okay, apply it with the beauty blender, and you know, do this other sort of things. And so I did. Came back with it, but they gave me a sample, this right here, and applied it with the beauty blender. Literally, the foundation would not stick to my face. As soon as I would apply it and then I would grab the beauty blender to blend in, there was a patch where the foundation was missing. So I'm the type of person that says, why am I gonna use something that's gonna be so hard to apply? Applying foundation should not be a task, should not be so difficult. It's either like, let's get it on and we're done. You know what I mean? So, Shameless, you're worthless, pretty much. I am not going to spend my money on a product where at the end of the day, I'm gonna look like a damn jigsaw puzzle because the foundation cannot get its shit together. So yeah, it's a no-go with the Marc Jacobs Shameless. This retails for $46, where I could spend my $46 on something else. So, bye. I also purchased at Sephora Too Faced Peach Perfect. This has come out a while ago, and it's a comfort and matte foundation infused with peach and sweet fig cream, transfer resistant, medium coverage, and it's supposed to be oil free, 14-hour wear, oil controlling, photo friendly, and shine free. I applied it all day yesterday, which was Sunday, and it looked beautiful. Like, it was just dewy. It wasn't like overdone, like where you look like super oily. Nothing. It was just like I was wearing nothing, and it was just sun-kissed. And I did not even apply bronzer. It was only this and blush, and that's it. And it looked beautifully. So this is in the color Sand. So this one I do like. I do. For me, it feels, even though it says it's a medium coverage, it kind of more feels like a BB cream, CC cream. But it goes in super smooth, and literally it's like skin. This is awesome. I really, really do love it. I did wear it yesterday for like close to 15 hours. And at the end, it was just a thin, fine line on my laugh line, and that's it. It did not separate around my nose. It did not crease up, did not patch up. So I love this. This is gonna be like my quick go-to foundation where I'm on the run and I'm just gonna, you know, apply something that my face will look healthy. This would be it. So I love, 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 love this one, which is Peach Perfect by Too Faced. The last foundation that I purchased this couple of weeks, I'm sorry, probably the last month, was the Tarte Double Duty Beauty, and I bought the hydrating one, which, yeah, I bought the hydrating foundation. There was a difference, there were two. There was a hydrating one, and then there was the matte finish. I had seen reviews of the matte finish, and I didn't want something that would, at the end of the day, crease up on me or look cakey. Therefore, I bought the hydrating foundation, which is what I have on today. I like it, but I can live without it. There was so much hype over it because of the concealer. The concealer is awesome. Like, if the same thing they would have actually used for the foundation, I think it would be like a great thing, but not. So the wands are the same. No. This is the Shape Tape. That's the wand, and you see it gets out product. So this is what it kind of goes like that. There we go. And then this is the wand. It's a little bit thicker than the concealer wand. The only problem I have is that the concealer wand gets out more product than the foundation wand itself. It's a bit frustrating. Aside from that, I don't know what I was expecting out of it, or what my thought or what my end result would have been with it, like what I wanted it to look like. I don't know. It's okay. It's an okay foundation. This is worth $39. Will I repurchase this? No. No, even though it's okay. I don't know, to be honest with you. I don't know. I think I love the wand in the concealer, but I don't like the wand in the foundation. You have to like really stick the wand multiple times in order to get enough product to apply onto your face. And that to me is like why am I gonna work so hard to get foundation out of a damn bottle? You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm not, I don't know, I'm just not really into that bandwagon. It's great, it does cover your imperfections, as you can tell. It does a great job. I don't know. If I had to choose between this one and my Fenty Beauty, 1,000 times on my Fenty Beauty, I'd rather purchase this than purchase this again. Does that make sense? And actually, yeah, I do need to repurchase my Fenty Beauty again. So yeah, if you liked Tarte, if you purchased it and you liked it, great, leave me a comment down below. If you purchased it and didn't like it, or any of the other foundations that I spoke about, leave me a comment down below. I am free to purchase any type of foundation that you guys think that are good, so I can give it a try and do my review on. But as far as the ones that I purchased for this past month, I think the only one that was a hit was the Peach Perfect by Too Faced, and everything else was just either bad or it was just okay, but I could still live without it. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video of foundation reviews. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on my social media, and thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day and a blessed rest of the week. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.